Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Shay, and in today's lesson we are going to learn about time and time management. So if you want to learn more about this topic, keep watching. What is the concept of time and time management?
The concept of time is as follows. Time is more than just making time. Time is management of self and the family in relation to time. Time is constant and irreversible. Time is effective management of resources. The concept of time management states that time management is a measure of the success of the quality of life for individuals and families. Time management is a measure of economic wealth. Time management is a measure of human effectiveness. Time is worth money. This concept of time as a measure of economic worth is important. A resourceful consumer would be willing to invest time and energy into decision making and into developing human resources. To perform any task, to achieve any goal, time and energy must be allocated to some extent. These resources, although separate and distinct, are linked closely together. One is often dependent on the other. If you are trying to complete certain tasks within a given period of time, your energy level will, to a large extent, influence whether or not you are successful.
The home manager's work involves skills and energy. He or she can make his or her task lighten by doing the following.
1. Planning with the family their responsibility for certain tasks. 2. Assigning tasks based on physical and mental abilities, age, and interests. 3. Buying and using as many labor-saving devices as necessary, such as a vacuum cleaner, washing machine, or even a food blender. 4. Scheduling work, that is, deciding when work is to be done and how it is to be done. 5. Using time and motion by studying methods carefully, by selecting and using the right tools, equipment, and supply. 6. Using every effort to take the unpleasantness out of work. For example, walls could be covered with a washable paint and easy-to-care vinyl paper. Floor coverings like carpet and tiles could also be used. Cleaning agents of good quality when used will make your housework easier.
Yeah.
Modern technology and science have come to help people in the following ways.
1. Meals are more easily prepared from well-dressed and convenient foods using non-stick oven-to-table utensils. 2. Automatic machines and drying machines available for those who can afford them. 3. Floor polishers and carpet cleaners. 4. Ironing have been replaced mostly by the use of drying machines in and outside of the home. 5. Utensils like heat, light, and water are available at the flick of a switch.
Ever wonder how the term seasonal or spring cleaning was coined?
In some countries, where the seasons are well marked, the winter grubbiness of paintwork shows up with the arrival of spring sunshine and makes it necessary for the home manager to plan and carry out a thorough cleaning. Thus the name spring cleaning. With proper planning and organization, the seasonal or spring cleaning can be accomplished without any disturbance and with little toil. Care should be taken to do one room at a time, leaving at least one comfortable room for the use of family members. Time and energy should be so arranged to avoid fatigue. It might be more prudent to spend 2 days at spring cleaning than 1 day marked by overwork and exhaustion.
Next, I will discuss some techniques for managing time and energy.
First point, separate big tasks into smaller tasks with a detailed listing of what needs to be done. Next, know your personal energy patterns and schedule tasks appropriately. Then, group similar tasks together to make better use of equipment and cleanup efforts. In addition to establishing routines and habits that consume time and energy and reduce the need for decision making, followed by identifying routine tasks and design a work method that makes the best use of your time, motion, and equipment available. And lastly, dovetail task. Make use of passive time during one task for active time in another.
Time and energy consuming activities need to be carefully examined to see which can be simplified or even eliminated without affecting one's comfort and enjoyment.
Time and energy are interrelated in the amount of time it takes for an individual to perform a task will depend on the amount of energy that the individual uses to complete that task. Time and energy consuming activities need to be examined carefully to see if some activities could be simplified or even eliminated without affecting the family's welfare or seriously impairing the family's comfort and enjoyment. Here are some guidelines that should be considered. 1. The family's need for time for various activities. 2. The available time at home. 3. The process involved in making a plan for using time and energy. 4. Ways in which some jobs can be simplified to save time and energy. 5. Ways of checking and improving the plan used. Several tasks can be dealt with at the same time. They must be planned, organized, and coordinated first. Planning and organizing the order is important as some tasks are related and others are not. The efficient home manager is sensitive to the way he or she uses time. By paying attention to daily, weekly, and seasonal jobs, they ensure that family members are well taken care of. Certain tasks are fixed in time by factors outside of the home, like, for example, working hours, school hours. These determine when meals may be served or when certain things can be done. Time must be managed so as to give some personal time to each member of the family. In summary, time management is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time between specific activities. Good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, and so that you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Failing to manage your time damages your effectiveness and causes stress. It seems that there is never enough time in the day, but since we all have the same 24 hours, why is it that some people achieve so much more with their time than others? The answer lies in good time management. The highest achievers manage their time exceptionally well by using time management techniques. Even when time is tight, pressures are high, you can improve your ability to function more effectively.
Thank you so very much for watching. We have come to the end of the lesson for today. Do remember, every day you learn, you grow. So keep learning and you'll keep growing. Bye for now.